tried consoling his agitated friend. However, his attempts to dissuade Broderick from fighting were unsuccessful. At the break of day, Broderick rode all to battle. On the morning of September 13th, 1859, Senator Broderick and ex-Judge Terry prepared for their showdown. As the bigger adversaries chose their weapons, fate intervened.
It's new Sorry Sliders. The compact game. Going down. Street revenge. Aim and try to score. Or slam others out of the way. Sorry. Slide. Win. Sorry Sliders. And step into my web of dark magic.
Battle will be an all-new monsters to be underwater worlds. Unleash the power of your master spells and discover lost schools of magic. Host moon parties in your own private castle. Collect all new pets and mounts as you explore Wizard 101's biggest world yet. Visit Wizard101.com for your free trial today. Rated everyone 10 and up.
Jackie Cheese's newest Killing Fun deal. Extra super topping margarita plus 75 tokens for $25. Add your parents to go to ChickieCheese.com for your $25 coupon. Only at Jackie Cheese.
February is the month to book your amazing Atlantis vacation. Book by February 28th to receive free companion airfare and your fourth time free for travel now through summer. Plus kids under 12 stay and eat free. Enjoy the largest water park in the Caribbean, dolphin swims, and so much more. Including Punch, the all-new Ultimate Theme Club. Call 1-800-ATLANTIS to receive free companion airfare and your fourth time free. Offer ends February 28th.
From the creators of Lightsing, we got you two are coming with me in your little monkey dreams.
Yippee-ki-yay, Monka Man! Rio. It's time to take it to the next level. Check out Jacob to the flow. Drop it low. Drop it low. Rated PG. Hey gamers, go online now to play your favorite Cartoon Network games and collect cool badges. With so many Cartoon Network games, there's lots of ways to win. Plus, new games and badges are added all the time. Are you up for the challenge? Then go online now.
Dale, no te tienes que acabar los lápices. Está poniendo no sé qué. Una de esas. Recoger aquí. ¿Y tú no te has parado de ahí todo el día? Sí. ¿No hiciste nada? Sí. ¿Qué hiciste?